Today, Iggle Piggle is visiting Nash and Rev in the backyard on a dark, rainy evening. So dark outside. But Nash and Rev love playing outside, whether it's raining, cold, or dark, or wet. It doesn't matter. It's important to get outside and exercise and dress warm. They love when Iggle Piggle comes to visit. Revy, are you happy that Iggle Piggle is here? Aww. Oh, where's Revy? There she is. Where's Nash? There he is. Where's Iggle Piggle? There he is. That's a fun game. Oh, where's Rev? There she is. Where's Nash? There he is. Wow.
Where's Iggle Piggle?
Iggle Piggle knows all the fun games. Great job, Iggle Piggle. Great job, Nash and Rev. That's funny. Oh, Iggle Piggle's dancing. Hey, Nash, can you dance with Iggle Piggle? Great job. Can you dance, Revy? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed, bumped his head, and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring. Iggle Piggle has to go home. Aww, that's a nice hug. Nash has been a good boy. He's been eating his food. Yes, Iggle Piggle. He's been listening. He's a very good boy. So is Rev. Say bye, Iggle Piggle. But guess what, Nash? Before Iggle Piggle goes, he has a present for Nash and Rev. Nash, Iggle Piggle has a present for you. He has a rainy day present. That's from Iggle Piggle. He brought it for you all the way from the night garden. What's that? Wow!
Where's?
Those are big, bright, colorful foam blocks. Wow, Nash, look at all the nice colors. This is a nice rainy day present because we can take it inside and play on it inside and still get lots of activity. Yay! Say thank you, Iggle Piggle.
Mommy, please.
Yeah, let's get out some of the pieces. Actually, you know what? Let's get it out inside. It's too hard to get it out here. Let's take it inside the house. Say bye, Iggle Piggle.